Welcome to Nailed It DIY Studios, the ultimate DIY experience. What would you like to create? Something for your home, a gift, a family game, or perhaps something for a wedding venue? Let's get started. The best view of this online catalog is from a desktop, but it can also be viewed by mobile device, portrait, or landscape view. There are controls at the top of the catalog that include zoom, search, print, download, share, and a table of contents that you can view from the left of your catalog at any time. This is available in this mode or full screen mode. Once you open the catalog itself, there is a main table of contents organized by design collection. You may click on any photo to view the particular stencil collection itself. You may also click on one of the plus signs shown to view the design collection descriptions in a larger format. By clicking on the individual collection photos, you will be forwarded to that particular stencil collection. Advance through the pages by clicking the arrows to the right or the left of the catalog, using the scroll at the bottom, or by swiping with your hand on a touch screen or mobile device. At any time, you can return to the table of contents or book a seat to create your project. They're located in the top right-hand corner. You may also pin the table of contents to the left of your catalog at all times. This feature allows you to click on the left showing table of content at any time during your viewing process. We invite you to sit back and enjoy browsing our extensive stencil collection and our specialty build projects. Oh, and did you know you can create your own design too? So come on, join us, have fun. We can't wait to see you in the studio soon.